hit a pothole. Had a whole blowout. It's crazy. It's crazy. Thank God it was right in front of a used tire shop, so get this changed out because I don't have a spare. Car came with run flats and I don't have a spare. So we gonna get this changed out, see if we can get to a dealership and get this wheel repair warranty going. Cause I need some new tires. Cause this ain't gonna cut it, bro. I just hope the rim ain't bent. If it is, it should cover that too. But this is crazy. The bad part is, as soon as I hit it, I said that rim of that tire gone. Sure enough, beep. Tire pressure monitor system said pull over slowly. Tight. Oh, some big ass brakes though. Pretty huge. Kept them in compared to my hand. Let me just tell you how bad these Houston streets are. The day I have had, I'm supposed to be out furniture shopping. Had a whole blowout. I'd had worse blowouts in my life, but this one was like, turn right boom! As soon as I hit it, knew it was gonna be flat. Next thing I know, tire pressure monitor's going. Get out. Whole chunk of the tire gone. Where it go? It's still hanging out. It's just hanging out like a little baby chicken wing. Like what? So now, on the way to BMW to get a new tire, cause since the car is all-wheel drive, that means I'm gonna have to get two, cause they can't be mix match, and which means I'm gonna have to get two for the back. So 4 tires. I ain't getting 4 tires today. You can hang that up. Ooh, I about had a conniption fit. Huh. I just wanted a couch and a dining room table. And I'm supposed to be working.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's a little bubble right there. It's almost comical how high this sidewall is compared to the other side.
Much later.
And we back. New tires. Back on the road again. But now, we got a whole nother, oh, they so short, Jesus. But now, we got to take it somewhere else because we got a whole nother load of issues to deal with. Just like that, we are back. Car back home, but we get to that. Hold on. First off, back to my Pilot Sport 4S's, brand new. Now, I just got to get some tires for the back. Did not. Oh, Cardinal. Those you know, North Carolina State Bird. All right. So yeah, Pilot Sports back on. Unfortunately, they are still run flats, which I asked for them not to be. But here we are. This has been a terrible experience. Terrible. I won't go back. All right. Just gonna have to drive 30 minutes back to West Case. Either way, car back with me. But now we have to explore some other stuff. Inserts video here.
I'll be BMW certified technician looking over your vehicle today. First things first, have the hood propped up, inspecting the engine compartment. First things I did notice is that we do have a pretty excessive coolant leak. This is coming from your vehicle's coolant return / Y pipe connector. As you see there, good bit of coolant. And this pipe is also located right here behind the alternator itself. A little hard to see in there, but we do have some heavy browning on that connection pipe there, so we'll be quoting the replacement of this pipe. Besides that, valve covers are pretty good. No signs of any leaks present as far as I can tell. Also, to make sure to top off your vehicle's windshield washer fluid. Moving over to your batteries, I did test your auxiliary battery. It has failed at 94 CCA out of the rated 570 CCA. As for your vehicle's main 12-volt battery, it is good with no concerns. Alright, now the vehicle up in the air, we're going to start by inspecting vehicle's tire tread wear. Left rear tires, you can see here, we are slightly in the caution. Inspecting your wheel surface. Wheel surface appears to be good. Moving over to your right rear, as you can see, decently in the caution. Wheel surface does appear to be good. Passenger front, as you can see, green. We do have that bubble though right here. Wheel surface appears to be in decent shape. And moving over to your driver front, we were in the green. As you can see here though, we are showing some cracks along the outer edge. That is where we're leaking from currently. Besides that, wheel surface does appear to be good. Front brakes measuring the green. Rear brakes green as well. Left rear suspension, adaptive strut appears to be good. Rear differential unit is good. Axle side seals and front pinion seal. Differential side gebo and differential mounts all in excellent shape. Moving over to your passenger rear, no signs of invisible damage to be seen as well. Following your exhaust system now to the back end of your transfer case. As you can see here, your transfer case bushing has failed as it is leaking hydraulic fluid. As you can see, it is leaking onto the back end of the exhaust. So we'll be quoting replacement. Moving over, transmission itself appears to be good. Motor mounts are proper. No signs of oil leaks, which is always good. As you can see here, we do have that coolant residue from up above leaking down here. Left front suspension is good. Lower control arm, axle good. Sway bar, tension strut of thrust arms good. Moving over to your passenger front though, as you can see here, your axle boot itself has failed and has leaked out all of the grease. So we'll be quoting replacement of the right front axle. Besides that, the rest of the right front suspension does appear to be good. That concludes the vehicle's multi-point inspection. So as always, like choosing.
It's crazy. It's a lot. It's a lot to deal with. Either way, got an appointment in about 2 weeks to get all this stuff looked at another dealership here in town because they work better with my warranty company. Cause who paying extra money if they ain't got to? So I'm taking it there. They're gonna give me a loan and have me all taken care of. So what was that? Either way. So yeah, they.
Yeah. To be continued. This is how I move. This is how I move. Hey, yeah. This is how I move. I don't never lose. I don't pick and choose. You can make the news. Get the eyes and ooze. Whip it fast to the dash. I don't never.